Hi guys! Welcome back to the VA Tips series. I'm Doris and I share tips, tricks, hacks, and other things about freelancing and virtual assistants. So this is tip number 7. Always double check or test your output. So especially kapag mga landing pages with automations, mga email, kahit email marketing, you always need to check or double check yung mga output nyo before you send it out to the public, or if it's email marketing, you always need to check the links, the preview, o need nyo i-preview muna yung images, if working ba siya, if yung link is working, if the code is working, discount code, kung whatever man yan. And also, yung automations kapag landing pages, let's say merong sign-up form dun sa landing page mo, and ayun na nga, you still need to test if working lahat ng automation. I saw or I read somewhere from my fellow VA na she lost a client because of that failed testing. So, parang automation siya and nakalimutan niyang i-test. So, the client lose sales or something like that. So, ayun na nga, matagal nilang prepare and hindi na double check. So, ayun, yung automation nag-fail, hindi na receive ni clients or nung mga leads, yung email or kung ano man yun. So, ayun, nawalan siya ng client because of that. So, always make sure to double check or test your output before sending out to your client or to your to the public. Kahit na sobrang memorize na ng katawan mo yung ginagawa mo, kahit na 100 times mong ginawa yan for a certain client, you always need to test. Kasi nga, alam mo yun, baka nagiging panatag tayo kasi memorize na natin, and alam mo yun, nagiging complacent tayo na tama yung ginagawa natin. But at the end, meron tayong na-miss na simple, alam mo yun, kahit isang simple na bagay lang na na-miss mo, especially in automations, kapag namali lang yung lagay mo nung isang condition, pwedeng mamali na lahat. And sayang yung oras. So, ayun. Always test and double check your output. Ayun lang. So, I hope this video helps and see you on my next one.